Before we get into this video, I know I look like I am 12 years old, but I have been in the game of business for just over 2 years now, and last month I made just over $3,200. Now with that being said, let me tell you my story. I started my first business in November of 2017, and I even made a YouTube video about it.
Since the last video got a lot of interest, I really want to continue talking about my candy business, and today I just kind of want to give you an update. So sales have actually been extremely good. Like today I think I sold $37 worth of candy bars, which just went crazily good.
Yeah, that was me. You already know I was money hungry from the start. The candy business I started my freshman year of high school was actually the first successful business I ever had, and the first business I really decided to take seriously. I feel like I was out there grinding even before I started the candy business, but none of those businesses were significant enough where I would really remember. After scaling up the selling candy at school business to about $40 every single day and eventually getting in trouble for that business, I decided to move on to bigger and better things. I tried things like buying earbuds from China and reselling them on eBay. I started my own social media marketing company, and I even tried things as crazy as Shopify dropshipping. Yeah, I tried a lot of different things. Pretty much everything I tried failed except for this one business known as phone flipping. And that actually brings us to income source number 1 for last month. If you guys don't know how phone flipping works, pretty much it involves posting an ad on a platform like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace saying that you pay cash for phones. When a person comes to you with a device to sell, you offer them less for the device than what it is selling for on the online marketplace like eBay. If that person says yes to your price for the phone, you meet them in person, buy the phone in cash, and flip it online for a profit. If you guys are wondering if this method of making money really works, well, the short answer is yes. People are willing to sell you their phone for cheaper than what it's worth because they simply don't know how to sell something online, or they don't want to go through the trouble of having to post it on eBay waiting for it to sell. Now, if you have cash on the same day and are ready to buy someone's device, it's often that they will accept your offer. You're not going to get everyone to say yes to your offer. You'll get the occasional no, but in my experience, at least 1 out of every 5 people I give an offer to will end up in a deal. In November of 2019, I made exactly $413.25 from my phone flipping business. This is very low for me, and most of the money I made from phone flipping last month was towards the beginning of the month. I used to earn between $1,000 and $2,000 every single month from my phone flipping business, but I've toned that business down a little bit to focus on more scalable ventures like this YouTube channel. Sure, I still like flipping the occasional phone, but I know it isn't going to make me rich. It's a great way to build capital in the beginning, but I always knew deep down inside that one day I was going to have to move on from my electronics business. Another very small source of income I have alongside my phone flipping business is my candy machine location. I know I said in a recent video that I'm going to be selling off that location, but I haven't been able to sell it yet, so that machine is still making me money while I sleep. If you guys are wondering how much money my candy machine location made me last month, well, I don't know, so let's go to the location and find out for ourselves. Alright guys, so we're here at the candy machine location and we're about to pull some cash from the candy machine. Before we do that, guys, please be sure to drop a like for the almighty YouTube algorithm gods up above. And now that you've dropped a like, let's go inside and collect some money from the candy machine. I just collected about $3 from my candy machine location, which isn't great at all, and that is the reason why I am trying to sell this location. It's bringing me pretty much no return on investment, and the money would be a lot better spent on another business. Although vending is a pretty crappy source of income for me, it is almost 100% passive. It takes me maybe 30 minutes every single month to drive to my location, film the process, clean the machine, and collect the money. So for that reason, I kind of admire the business model. And lastly, my final income source for last month, and the one you've all been waiting for, is the almighty YouTube ad revenue. This was by far my biggest income source last month, and in total, I made $2,803.16 from YouTube ad revenue in just 1 month, which is absolutely insane. Last month, the Financial Wolf channel raked in about 500,000 views, which is up from just 30,000 views the previous month. I'm very thankful for this great bump in views, and it's mostly because the YouTube algorithm gods have blessed some of the videos on this channel, and I'm just so thankful for that. Some of the semi-viral videos we had last month include I sold candy at school for 1 week with a little over 270,000 views. I did online surveys for 8 hours straight with over 55,000 views, selling candy in front of the movie theater with over 75,000 views, and finally, how much money I made in 1 day selling candy at school with around 45,000 views. If you guys are wondering how much each of these semi-viral videos made last month, well, I am going to tell you right now. The Selling Candy at School for 1 Week video made a total of $1,196. The survey video made $206.19. Selling candy in front of the movie theater made $413.75. And finally, the how much money I made selling candy at school for 1 week video made a total of $171.53. I once heard the slogan that the harder you work, the luckier you get, and this 100% applies to my situation here on YouTube. For the past 18 months, I've been making videos at least 1 time every single week, and I haven't taken a break at all. I kept going with my content even when I saw very little results because I really loved making videos and I loved helping people. So if you guys want to start a business, know that success is not going to happen overnight. It may take 2, 3, or even 18 months in cases like mine where you finally start to see a return on the amount of time you're putting into it. So if you're starting a business, make sure you really love the business you're working on, or else you're not going to be motivated enough to keep going even when you're seeing no results. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to drop a like for the YouTube algorithm, and also be sure to cop yourself a Financial Wolf shirt if you have not already. Link in description. With that all being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.